He loves it. Now should we move? Look, Mom. He ate all that.
Well, that's good.
And all that. Look at all that. He ate all this.
He loves it. Is celery his favorite thing?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite too, guys? You're like a little Flappy the Flappy.
Me.
You are.
Want some lettuce now? Want it? Now he's eating some lettuce.
Let's see. Look at how cute he is.
I got little claws.
His little claws.
He's like, I don't want to give him a bit. I'm feeding him his breakfast. And Mom? Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
No, I'm talking to this one.
Oh, okay.
Mom? Thank you for giving me the celery. Up here. Mom, thank you for giving me the lettuce.
Oh,
And what are they behind the lettuce?
grapes.
Grapes too. Yeah. Oh yeah, grapes.
So cute.
Mom, you know a trick when he falls down? I like give him the lettuce down here and push it back up.
Oh. Good figuring that out. His little sounds are so cute.
No, take a bite with lip. No.
See if he'll eat. Don't spit on him, Gus. See if he'll eat a grape. Here, see if he'll eat a grape.
Look at his butt. Is he pooping?
No, Gus spit on him for some reason. Here, guy.
Take a bite.
He's so cute. He's eating a grape.
He's going to bite you on the finger though.
Oh, here, let go of the strip.
He ate the whole grape. Now can I eat some?